Hi, and welcome back. Are you working a salary job earning around $300 to $450 per month and learning how to invest to achieve financial freedom? Today, I'll share 4 investment steps to reach financial freedom for those with a salary in that range. The master, Jim Rohn, said that the ultimate reason for setting goals is to compel you to become the person it takes to achieve them. Of course, this isn't a way to achieve financial freedom overnight. Instead, it's a roadmap showing how ordinary people can realistically reach financial freedom. First, I want to emphasize that financial freedom is a journey that requires time and effort. No fortune is made overnight, unless you win the lottery. Step 1. Develop the habit of saving and buying gold or a stable asset. Don't misunderstand, I know that saving and buying gold alone won't make you rich with a modest income. The secret here is to cultivate the habit of immediately setting aside 10% of your income into a fund, which we'll call your investment fund. This is the very first step on your journey to true financial freedom. Many people earning a basic salary of $300,450 are young, single, and without family responsibilities. Some might even still be supported by their parents, with room and board covered. For those with families, it's more challenging, but you must learn to save. Find every way to live below your means. If you earn $450, you absolutely must set aside at least $45. Put that $45 into savings, or, for example, in some countries it's popular to buy gold. Why save or buy a stable asset when you have so little? Many people have a habit of spending everything they earn, or they think, my salary is so small, it's not even enough to cover expenses, so why bother saving? Often, having cash at home makes it easy to spend impulsively. This approach will only keep you stuck. When you save or buy gold or another stable asset, you'll think twice before spending that money, asking yourself if it's truly worth it. The important thing is the habit of saving, not whether that 10% is a large or small amount each month. Whether it's $20, $30, or $45, save it. After a few months, if you are able to buy, for example, 1 inch of gold, then go buy it. This way, after a year, you'll have around $450. This is the example of 1 million Vietnamese dongs ready to invest. I know what you're thinking. What can I invest with $450? That's not enough to invest. Right after this, in step 2, I'll show you investment channels that can multiply your money quickly, and you can absolutely start with a small amount. Step 2. Invest in cryptocurrency and stocks. Once you've learned the habit of accumulating a certain amount each month, start learning about and practicing investing in cryptocurrency and stocks. Why start with stocks and crypto? Because these are investment channels where you can start with a very small amount of capital and have many opportunities to multiply your assets quickly, especially at this stage, when in 2023, the entire stock and crypto markets bottomed out, setting the stage for 2024 and 2025 to enter a rapid growth phase. The stock market is showing signs of large investors shifting their portfolios from large-cap stocks to mid-cap and small-cap stocks, indicating optimism and a hot entry into a new bull market cycle. The crypto market is also entering a period of rapid growth with the approval of Bitcoin ETFs and the Bitcoin halving event. What's also special is that you can absolutely start with a very small amount, even $50 to $100, to learn about investment psychology and understand the rules of the markets. In January 2024, Bitcoin ETFs were officially approved. This marked a historic turning point for the world, accepting cryptocurrencies as a mainstream investment. It's the dawn of a new market and your next ticket to financial freedom. When participating in the stock and crypto markets, use your accumulated money and start with a small amount to familiarize yourself with the market. At this point, don't focus too much on profits and losses. Instead, learn from all available resources about how to invest successfully. Learn about value investing. Don't approach it with a gambler's mentality or FOMO, fear of missing out, going all in or nothing. Learn to find good stocks of good companies and promising cryptocurrencies to buy and hold for the long term. Learn to recognize market cycles, buying during the bottom and gradually selling when you reach your profit targets, while still maintaining your main job to support yourself and your family. Once you've mastered an investment method, your initial accumulated capital could have multiplied 5x, 10x, or even 100x after just one market cycle. If you make a profit, that's your return. If you lose, it's a very cheap lesson because the initial investment was small, meant for gaining experience. This is also when you learn the most from the market and increase your knowledge. Stock investor Peter Lynch said, "Buying a stock without knowing anything about the company is like a blind person reading a book." So, listen and observe the market to develop appropriate strategies. Step 3. Invest in real estate. When should you invest in real estate? The answer is when you've accumulated enough in Step 1 and achieved significant profits in Step 2 in the crypto and stock markets. At this point, you take profits and have enough money to buy your first real estate investment. Why not leave the profits in crypto or stocks and move them to real estate? Because after each hot cycle of stocks and crypto, these two markets experience massive price drops that can wipe out all the profits you made during the uptrend, especially in crypto, where your assets could be divided by 5, 10, or even more during a bear market. The real estate market, on the other hand, has a lower rate of price decline. The real estate market usually holds its value and experiences slower transactions at the bottom, rather than losing significant value. There are two effective ways to invest in real estate to multiply your money. 1. Invest in suburban real estate for high returns after 2 to 3 years. 2. Or invest in street front real estate for rental income housing, storage, etc., while the property value increases steadily over time. When choosing this investment approach, you need to select a time and location that aligns with your future liquidity goals. For those without a lot of money, you should only buy land when you have savings equivalent to at least 12 months of living expenses and a stable income. Also, you shouldn't rush to pay the full amount. Pay half and finance the rest. This will help you avoid depleting your capital on your first investment. Land is scarce, and with a growing population like Vietnam's, where people continue to reproduce, real estate appreciation is a natural occurrence. Owning real estate not only provides security but also helps you generate profits in the future to achieve financial freedom. Step 4. Invest in a business based on your skills and interests. In a small town, there were two friends named Min and Long. Both dreamed of success and financial freedom. Min chose the path of education. He spent his time and money on studying and developing professional skills. Inspiration from his family and teachers helped him grow up with a belief in education and a stable career. Meanwhile, Long always dreamed of creating and doing business himself. He started with small projects in town, from selling goods to creating new products. After many years, Min became an excellent technical specialist in a large company. He had a stable life with a high income and recognition from the community. Meanwhile, Long experienced many failures and difficulties during his entrepreneurial journey. However, he never gave up and always looked for new opportunities. Eventually, Long's company grew strongly and became a nationally recognized brand. The story of Min and Long reminds us that there isn't a single path to success and financial freedom. The most important things are patience, perseverance, and the ability to seize opportunities when they arise. Of course, this is just an example. In real life, it's not that easy. No one starts a business and succeeds on the first try. These 4 steps will be your guide to understanding the path to financial freedom faster, and this is what everyone desires to achieve. Starting a business isn't simple, but if you make your mark with your own brand, success will follow you. Dear friends, the journey to financial freedom is a personal process. Some may achieve it in their early 30s, while others may take 70 years. Whether you want this process to be short or long depends on your circumstances and application. Therefore, depending on your abilities, strengths, and interests, learn to invest or create profitable business models. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it interesting and helpful, don't forget to like and share. I wish you success and good luck on your journey to financial freedom. See you in the next videos.